can
note.
see here they said, okay, yes, we can.
Yes. What did they say? Check.
Okay, it's carrying amount, it's 1 March.
I was talking. You were saying about something before. I was asking, what did they say? Because you said you could see something somewhere. They were saying
Oh
something.
yeah, the question I was saying the question they said only the following notes for the year. It's property, plant and equipment, financial assets, and financial liabilities.
Yeah, the only one that, but they can choose whatever. So whatever they choose, you must know how to do that. So you need to learn the format first, because otherwise you won't be able to do how to do that. But by
Okay.
knowing the format, it means you must know what is required. And honestly speaking, the notes,
Okay.
the notes is like calculations. It's like sometimes, can you see these calculations in brackets here? Can you see these calculations in brackets? These are the notes, but they don't want you to show them in brackets. They want you to have details for them. Instead of showing them in brackets, they want you to show them in detail. That's the same thing. The notes are the calculations. Can you see now? These are the calculations. But you'll see. Let's go through this one. Let's go through this one. So this one, they like this one, and then it just got marks, okay? Can we talk about this one? Property, plant, and equipment.
Yes, we can.
Now,
yes,
this thing has been divided into two, so it's better for you to do it like, remember we said our accounting period was this, and then here we said 28 Feb, ne? This is our year.
Yes,
so meaning we started here.
1 March 2021.
Okay. So remember, this is the beginning. And this is and the end.
The year end. Yes.
So this, obviously here, you need to first focus on what? You need to first focus on at the beginning.
Okay, yes.
Thing. You focus on this part.
Yes.
Up to here.
Okay.
This part is at the beginning, is what I mean, at the beginning there. So you need to focus on the beginning first before you can go. So at the beginning, where do you get these figures from? You just have to go to the list of information. So obviously, you must have the carrying value, you must have the cost, you must have accumulated at the beginning. But they won't give you a carrying value. The carrying value, you will find it yourself. So they will give you cost, they will give you accumulated. So let's go and check the costs first. I don't know if you've got the paper with you there. If you check, let's go to the land and building and equipment and check if there's any. The cost was 128. Can you see this cost?
Yes.
If you go and share, we found this the cost. Let's check the equipment. If there's any equipment, the cost was how much? 125. Are you with me?
Equipment at yes, 16.
This
equipment
one is
at cost, right?
It's 165.
Equipment at cost is 165, yes.
So you can see this is the other one is 128, 165. Let's go and check them. Can you see here? 128, 165.
Okay, yes.
And they just add them together to find this total of. Remember, these are the given balances, so we are putting them as they are. Now, for accumulated, we know that land and building does not depreciate. That's why there is dash. The same way we found costs, we must go and check any accumulated for equipment. Let's go and check.
Okay.
There's accumulated here. Can you see?
Yes,
Of
there
how
is.
much?
Yes, 62,320.
Of 60.
62,320.
Yes. Yes. Remember, for equipment, the fact that they did not show any dates. You can see here the costs are okay. The costs are always okay. They are okay there. But this one, as you can see, there's no date. It means this one, it is at the end of the period. Why did I say it's at the end of the period?
Yes.
It means it takes that date on top. Are you with me? So
Yes.
before we can put
Yes, I'm
it,
with you.
if it was at the beginning, I'm telling you, they were supposed to give you this 1st of March. If it was at the beginning,
Yes. Yes.
are you with me?
I see. Yes.
But if they don't
Yes,
say
I'm with you.
anything, it means we must go and check the information there about depreciation. They said the depreciation on the equipment amounted to how much? 2.1. Check here. Does
For
that make sense?
41,250.
Yes. The fact that this accumulated is at the end, it means this 41 already has been added. I don't know if you understand me or not.
The 41,000 is added.
It's already added to that. It means at the beginning,
Okay.
it was 62, 320 minus what? 41, 250. That is one at the beginning. If I want to know how much was it at the beginning.
Okay. So it's going to be 62320 minus 41250. It's equal to 21070.
So this was the one at the beginning. So
So it's
every
gonna be
time they
1
don't give you the
March.
date. Yes, this one.
Okay.
So every time they give you accumulated and they don't say the first, always check the information. If they calculated depreciation, you have to minus it. Unless if they said it was not recorded, you don't have to minus it. They should have given you the 1st of March. I don't know if it makes sense.
If they say it was not recorded.
Obviously, they should have written for you 1st of March here.
Okay.
This is the amount.
It's 21070.
Okay.
All right.
And now you just take this, this minus this, you get that. This one minus this one, you get that. This one minus this one, you get that. Don't forget to put it in brackets here, because we minus them, they're accumulated.
Okay. Okay. Say that again, please. Which one minus which?
Cost minus accumulated. Cost minus accumulated, you get carrying value. Cost minus accumulated, you get carrying value or carrying amount.
Let me write that down. cost minus accumulated depreciation is equal to carrying value. Okay. All right. Carrying amount. Okay.
Waiting for you to go ahead.
Okay. All right. Then we go to the next one. We got it from the calculation, the 82,000. The surplus. We just take it as it is and then we put it in.
Beginning. Don't do that. Remember, we do it step by step. Remember, I'm explaining so that you cannot memorize at the end. Okay. We were at the beginning.
Okay.
We finished. Now we are during the year. Are you with me? Yes. I don't want you to memorize.
All right.
Now we are during the year. During the year, it means we are going to focus from here. Can you see now? This part
Okay.
is during the year. So meaning during the year is going to be that part. Can you see this part? So now we are during the year. So during the year, many things can happen. So we can, like you said, we did revaluation during the year. Usually during the year, the information comes from this. Ne? The information comes from this. From you get information here. It's during the year.
Okay.
So you can see here, as you said, the revaluation took place and the depreciation took place. Okay, if we go back and check there, you can see revaluation. Remember this one? We revalued the bank, the land and building. Remember this one?
Yes, land and building, yes.
Are you still with me? Yes. So this is the revaluation
Yes,
that
I'm with you.
it took place from the information. We also depreciated. Remember this one? We also depreciated here. Are you with me?
Depreciated. Okay, wait. With the depreciation, isn't that the one we just did? It's not the same one.
Yeah. It's the same one. Remember, we're dealing with the now it's the same one. It's the one that we minused there. We minused there because it was not from last year. It was not at the beginning. It took place during the period. That's why we minused here, and it was part of the current.
Oh,
We put now.
so now we are doing the current during the year. Okay.
Yes. During the year.
Okay.
Are you with me?
Yes, I'm
Yes.
with you now.
So you only have two things, but in future you can have more. You can sometimes we do buy new assets during the period. If you bought new assets during the period, you were supposed to put it somewhere here, and you will call it. We normally call it additions at cost. If you bought a new asset,
Okay.
additions at cost. So you're gonna have it here somewhere here. Doesn't matter. Maybe after the depreciation here, you just say addition at cost, and you will record whatever the equipment or land and building that you bought, because they will tell you which asset did you buy during the period. So we call it addition at cost. It means it will be part of this process
Okay.
here. Maybe somewhere you just squeeze it here if you have it, but you don't have it. So I'm just saying in future. Okay.
Okay. All right. I get you. Yes.
You can also sell assets. One of the assets, if you sold one of them, you are going to have disposal at carrying value. If you sold, you will also have it because everything takes place during the period. You're gonna have it somewhere there. Maybe you squeeze it somewhere there. I don't know if it makes sense.
Oh, okay. So anything that happened during the year, whether
Yes.
I sold, I disposed, I bought, anything.
Yes. Yes, you must. It will come, but you will
Okay.
get. Don't worry, you will get it from the information given.
Okay.
Yes. But remember, for disposal, you must put it in brackets because you will be selling. So for the disposal one, you must not forget to put it in brackets because if you are selling, it means the asset has been taken out.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm with you.
Now we need to be at the end now
Okay.
because we were during the year, né?
Okay. So
Now we
here
need to
on this,
be
during
at
the
the
year,
end. You were saying I couldn't hear you.
okay, I was just confirming something. That's because we only had two things. We had
Oh,
revaluation and we had depreciation during the year. That's why we only recorded those two. Okay. Post accumulate.
Hello.